Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's time to go to Walgreens and grab some all digital and printable coupon deals. I also have an amazing scenario at the end of this video online where you can grab Bic razors and 3 packs of Huggies diapers completely free. So I'm gonna share all the deals with you in this video. I'm sure you guys have noticed the prices of things have increased this past week. Now the Tide, the large 92 ounce is on sale for $13.49 instead of $12.99. Some of them are even on sale for $14.99, which is crazy because last week they were all $12.99. The CoverGirl has also increased. Those eyebrow pencils that I always grab, it used to be $4.99, they're now $5.79. But that is why couponing is so important and so powerful, especially even when you're using only your phone. You can beat inflation and really stretch your dollars a ton. I'm still able to get roughly $1,000 worth of products per month for about $100 out of pocket. So if you want to learn how to coupon, if you want to learn how to save money, make sure you take a second, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as a part of the channel. So below in the description box is going to be the printable breakdown. It's going to have a bunch of deals and that amazing online moneymaker deal for you spelled out, makes it super easy so that way you can feel confident that you're going to get an amazing deal. Let's pop inside to Walgreens and start stocking up on some great products, including Scott products for $2.75 a piece. We have some great deals on Garnier Fructis and Garnier Whole Blends this week. So this week they are spend 10, get a $3 register reward. Remember, register reward deals are in-store only deals. So what I'm gonna do is grab 2 of the Garnier Fructis, use the 3 off 2 digital coupon. I'm also gonna pick up 2 of the Garnier Whole Blends that are also 2 for $8 and use the separate 3 off 2 digital coupon. So for these 4 products, we're at $16 in product value, but we have 2 $3 digital coupons. We'll pay $10, get back a $3 register reward, makes our final cost $1.75 each. Now they are cheaper at CVS this week. You can grab them for just $1 per bottle. So if you have a CVS in your town, I definitely recommend doing it there instead. You guys can check out my CVS haul that I posted yesterday for all the breakdowns. And if you don't need the shampoos or conditioners, then check the other section because there are some styling products and things that are also included and they are part of the same price point. So you can mix and match these in instead of the shampoos and conditioners if you want. This is another really good one, the flat iron protector or the leave-in conditioner. Here's a really good deal on L'Oreal Elvive. So this week they are 2 for $9 and this is an all digital deal. So you're gonna grab 2, clip this 4 off 2 digital coupon. Now this was an only for you digital. So if you didn't get it, then you should have a 3 off 2 instead. So that'll change your price point by $1. You're also gonna clip this 2 off 2 coupon, which is a store coupon. So yes, they will stack together. That'll make your final cost $1.50 each. A lot of you always request deals on diapers and baby products, so here is a deal that you can do on Huggies. Now I recommend doing this deal online, so that full breakdown is going to be below in the printable breakdown, so definitely check it out. What you're going to do in store, they are buy 3, get a $5 register reward, so you're going to grab 3, that'll bring you to $31.50. There is a $2.50 off 1 digital coupon and a 2 off 2 digital coupon. So you'll wind up paying $27 out of pocket. You can pay with Walgreens cash or register rewards. You'll get back a $5 register reward. It makes it $7.33 each when you do it in store. So the online deal is definitely way cheaper, so check that out below. Here's a great deal that I would do in store. That way you can use paper coupons, but the deal is the same online. It would just be $3 more expensive. So what I would do in store is grab 3 of the Bic Soleil. They are buy 1, get 1 half off. Buy 3, get $3 in Walgreens cash. The cheapest one in store is gonna be the Bic Soleil Escape at $6.99, but my store only has 1, so I'm gonna grab 1 of these and 2 of these. So that'll bring me to $17.92. I have 2 different $3 off 1 digital coupons available on my account that I went ahead and clipped. So that'll be 3 and 3. Then I'm going to use this $3 off 1 printable coupon from coupons.com for the 3rd product. So that'll save me $9. I'll pay $8.92 out of pocket. You can pay with Walgreens cash or register rewards. Then you'll get back a $3 register reward. Makes your final cost $1.97 a piece. If I was to do this online, I would only grab 2 of them because they are a lot cheaper online. So it winds up being $3.73 for 2. Then I'm gonna do the Persil deal. So this one is buy one, get a $2 register reward. So I'm gonna grab one at $5.99. You're gonna pay that out of pocket. There's no coupons or anything that I know of. Then I'm gonna get back the $2 register reward and submit to Ibotta for $1 cash back. Makes it $2.99, which is a pretty good deal, but I'm gonna be adding this in with a spend booster, which is gonna make it even cheaper. So I'll go over that transaction in a few minutes. You know we're gonna grab an oral care deal while we are at Walgreens. So it's a little tricky. This week, it shows in the weekly ad that you're gonna get a 3 off 2 digital coupon, but when I clicked on the digital coupon and added it to my account, it shows the only product that's actually attaching to it is this. So I'd recommend grabbing this just to be on the safe side. So this week they are buy 2, get a $3 register reward, and they're $4 each. So grab 2, that'll bring you to $8. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon that everyone should have. But I didn't find it at first when I was looking this morning. It was kind of weird. I had to go to the weekly ad, then I had to click it and clip it to my account from the weekly ad. Then when I went to my coupons, I saw that it was in my clipped coupons. So I don't know, kind of weird, but definitely try that way if you can't find it originally. So you'll wind up paying $5, getting back a $4 register reward, makes it getting back a $3 register reward, makes them $1 a piece. So not a bad deal because these are 2 packs, so it makes it 50 cents per tube of toothpaste. We are also gonna stock up on paper products super cheap. So yesterday in my CVS haul, I showed you how you could grab the large pack of Charmin and Bounty for 50% off at $7.99 each. But if that is outside of your price point, then you can grab Scott products for $2.75 each. So they are buy one, get one half off. So what you could do is grab one of the toilet paper here, clip the $1 off 1 digital coupon. Then you would grab one of the paper towels. My store is obviously out, but I'm sure you know what it looks like. This one would ring in at $2.50 and clip the $1 off 1 digital coupon. That'll make your final cost $2.75 each. If your store is out of stock like mine, no worries. You can grab 2 of these, use the $1 digital. Then when we check out, we're gonna submit our receipt to the ShopMeum app for $1 cash back on the second product. So they'll still wind up being $2.75 a piece. Now let's go over the transaction that I'm gonna be doing. So unfortunately, I did not get a digital booster this week. I've heard some people did, but with digital boosters, some accounts get them, some accounts don't. Not really anything you can do about that. But luckily, I always get the spend 40, get 9 that prints for me at the Catalina. So I'm gonna use this. Total for all these products is gonna wind up being $48.41. Now your total has to be at $40 or more after any store discounts or coupons. So keep in mind, this has a 2 off 2 store coupon. So you'll subtract that. Now you're at $46.41. I'm gonna use $5 in Walgreens cash using contactless payment because I'm using a paper booster. So now my total is $41.42 out of pocket. But then we have all of our digital manufacturer coupons. I have 2 $3 digitals, a $3 paper, 4 off 2 digital, $1 digital, and a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So after all of that, I'm gonna wind up paying $23.41 plus taxes out of pocket. But I do have manufacturer register rewards that I'm gonna use to further lower my out-of-pocket cost. Then I'm gonna get back a $1 cash back from ShopMeum for this Scott deal, $2 register reward here, $3 register reward here, $3 in Walgreens cash for the BIC, and $9 in Walgreens cash for that paper booster. So that makes my final cost for $48 worth of products. And don't forget, you're gonna get a $1 cash back from Ibotta for the Persil as well. So that makes our final cost $9.41 for 10 products, or less than $1 per product, which I think is an amazing deal. Let's go check out and I'll let you guys know if I have any issues and what to expect. Okay, so this is what you're gonna grab for your online curbside pickup deal. It's gonna wind up being an amazing moneymaker deal. So the first thing you wanna do is start with Rakuten. So when you click the link below in the description box and you create a free account for Rakuten, this is what's gonna pop up. Now this has to be done on a computer, not on the Walgreens app. So then at the top, you're gonna search Walgreens and you're gonna click Shop Now. This is gonna take you right over to the Walgreens website and it's gonna link the two. That's how you're gonna get your cash back onto your Rakuten account. So new users, when you sign up with Rakuten, using my link and you spend $30 out of pocket, you'll get $30 cash back plus the 4% back that Walgreens is offering. And the 4% is calculated on the subtotal before any coupons or promotions. As you can see right here, I have the pop-up. Originally, I had $79 in my cart. So the 4% is gonna be off of the subtotal or product value. So that's even more incredible. Okay, so these are the products you're gonna grab. You're gonna grab 2 of the Bic Soleil. They are buy one, get one half off, and they're cheaper online at $6.49. Then you're gonna grab 2 of the L'Oreal Paris Elvive, same price point online as it is in store. So you're gonna grab 2 for $9. Then we have the Huggies. Online, they are buy 3, get $5 in Walgreens cash. So I just added 3 random sizes to my cart. It does not matter. Whatever size you need, you could get 3 of the same, totally fine. Total is gonna be $31.50 for the Huggies. Okay, sorry about that. Had to add the Reese's. I forgot to add that to the cart. Now we're gonna scroll down. We have 2 $3 off one digital coupons for the Bic Soleil razor. Here's 1, here's 2. Here's the $2.50 off one for the Huggies. Then you can use code BABYAC. The L'Oreal, I had a 4 off 2. If you don't have 4 off 2, you'll have a 3 off 2. Baby AC automatically applied. I've used this one before, but it automatically came off. Save me another $3.32. Here is the 2 off 2 coupon for the L'Oreal Paris. That's the store coupon. And here is the other $2.50 for the Huggies. So for the Rakuten promotion, your total before taxes has to be $30 out of pocket. So no, do not pay with Walgreens cash or anything like that. So right now, our total is $31.90 plus taxes. So we're good to go. You're also gonna get back $5.46 Walgreens cash, plus you're gonna get back $30 from Rakuten for spending $30 out of pocket. You're also gonna get back 4%, and the 4% is on the $52.20 value. So that's gonna be another $2.08 back. That makes your final cost for all of these products free and a $2.37 moneymaker, which is incredible to be able to stock up on diapers for that price. Now, of course, you can mix and match. There's a million different scenarios you can do as long as your total, so take this number here, subtract this number, as long as that equals $30 on the nose or more, you're good to go. There's no shipping cost, of course, because you're doing this for curbside pickup. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about this as well so I can help you. Now let's go over our in-store transactions and how everything went. All right, we're back in from Walgreens. Don't forget, make sure that you ask them before you check out, hey, is the Catalina machine on and is it printing? They know I'm a couponer, so the manager was like, hey, why don't I check you out at Photo because this one doesn't have ink, because she knows that I'm gonna get register rewards and all that jazz. So I wanna share with you guys real quick how to do the contactless payment method again. So what you're gonna do when you open the app, just stay on the screen that it comes to right when you open it, scroll down a little bit. Got to make sure that you're signed in. You're going to open your wallet. Then you're just going to select, you have to obviously have a credit card on file already. If you haven't set it up, add whatever card and whatever payment method you want. It can be a credit or debit. I always pay with credit cards so I can get additional points back, cash back, and just stack as many things as possible. But it's totally up to you. So add the card. Then you're going to add how much Walgreens cash you can use. This is why having a complete breakdown and knowing exactly what you're going to spend out of pocket before you get to the register is so important. So I knew, just like I explained in the video, that I could use $5. So I did that, then click Pay Now at the bottom. Then it's going to give you a barcode. So now when you go to checkout, here's the process. When you're using a paper booster, type in my phone number. She scans all the products. She scans the paper booster. She scanned the $3 Bic razor printable coupon. Then she scanned the 3 manufacturer register rewards that I wanted to use. Then she hit total. All the digital coupons came off and I showed her that barcode and then she scanned it and then that's what covered the payment. So the $5 in Walgreens cash came off. The rest went on that card that I had on file. So let me show you guys my receipt. Here are all the razors. Now remember, the 50% off value still has to be higher than the manufacturer coupon you're using. So like if you had a $4 Bic coupon, you wouldn't be able to use it because the half price is less than $4. So hopefully that makes sense. That's why we could use 3 $3 coupons. Then we have all of these products here. This is the Elvive. Here's that store coupon that came off. Here is the Persil and the Crest. And another Bic Soleil. Okay, so here's the paper booster that I used. This one is the Bic Soleil printable. Then I gave her a 5. No. I gave her a 5, and a 4. Those are manufacturer register rewards. Then my digital coupons came off. This one is L'Oreal. This one is for the Crest. This one is for the Bic. For the Bic, $1 for the Scott, $1 for the, honestly, I have no idea what that $1 is for. Okay, so then I used $5 in Walgreens cash, paid $12.24 out of pocket, including taxes, submitted to Ibotta, got $1.10 back. Then I submitted to ShopMium and got another $1 back. So my final cash cost is $10.14, and that includes taxes for $48 worth of products. I think that is an incredible deal. I love being able to stock up on paper products and things like that when I can. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Sorry, I had a call coming through. Let me know in the comments below. And yes, I did get all my register rewards, so I'll show you guys that. Here is my $3 register reward. Here is my $2 register reward. I also got a 20% off Catalina booster. And I earned back $12. $9 is for the paper booster and $3 is for the Bic deal. So everything worked out perfectly today. I am so excited. I love when we have super easy, all digital and printable deals that any of you guys can do. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'm always here to help you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.